Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now I'll show you how to open Angular CLI in your Visual Studio Code so that using Angular framework you can develop your web application. So yeah, you can create your folder in any of the options like downloads, E drive. So at present I'll create the folder in my desktop. I'll give it as for example I'll give today's date itself, like 2 5 2023. Then open the folder. Here, just click in the above bar, just left click and then type CMD. Press enter. A command prompt will get opened here. Here you have to install your Angular CLI first, like npm install. For install, you can just type it as I space G, that means globally, and again space at Angular slash CLI and then press on enter. The Angular CLI will get installed here. Before creating any of the Angular projects, you have to first install this. Yeah, it got installed now. Now you can give your project a name. For giving a name, like for creating a new project, you have to type as ng new, and then you can give your project a name now I'll give it as demo, demo. Enter. For creating any project in your Angular, you have to give ng first, then only you can continue, you can give your project name. And now it's asking for would you like to add Angular routing as. So routing is very important here, and CSS, SCSS styling. I'll use CSS now, so I'll just click on CSS. You can choose these options by using your arrow marks in the keyboard. You can choose any of these style sheets you want, but the reason I chose CSS is that it will be quite easy for us to use. And if we have any doubts or if we don't get any of the styles, we can just Google it. That would be quite simple than other. It will take a little time, so let's wait for that. By the time routing, let's know about routing. Routing is nothing but shifting from one page to another page. So since it's a Angular, it is a single page application. If it's shifting from one page to another page also, it doesn't go to a new tab or new window again. It just shifts inside the given tab itself. So that is nothing but it just routes from one page to another page. For example, if you have any button like view and all, if you just click on view, the view page will get opened automatically in that window itself. So now our project called demo has been created. So now what you have to do is that here we have that desktop and our desktop folder name. So now you have to move inside the project. So for that you have to give cd and your project name. You have to type your project name as it is, like capital, small, everything should be as it is, like what you have given before. So now just click on enter. See, this is your folder name. Inside the desktop, you have created a folder, and inside that folder, now you have moved inside the project. So now, if you want to open Visual Studio Code, you just have to type CODE space full stop. Then just click on enter. See, the Visual Studio Code with your project has been opened now. So now This is the starting step for any of your Angular project. This is quite important and you have to do it correctly, or else you'll face many errors in the future while going on through this project. So keep this in mind and do every step, follow every step properly, you'll get it. Okay, thank you for this video. Next, I'll continue next in the coming video. Thank you.